Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Steve. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. What gem is hidden in this box, you may ask? Well, this is the Beelink mini PC. More specifically, it's the U59 mini PC from Beelink. Now, these are super small computing units that fit in the palm of your hand, perfect to go on the back of a monitor, or even to be used as a media center. They're not powerhouses. Now, this specific model is an Intel Celeron N5105 model. Comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM, and also you have the option to purchase a 256 gigabyte version for the SSD or a 512 gigabyte SSD. Now both of these are M.2 form factors and they don't use the NVMe. However, given its price tag, I purchased at $231 Canadian plus tax from Amazon. I think this is a pretty good deal. So let's take a look inside, see what's inside the box, see if this is right for you. Let's get right into it. All right. So the box itself is your standard box. It's pretty small. Says on the front what model it is, U59 from the Beelink. And on the back, it says what model you have. So in this case here, this is the 512 gigabyte SSD model. All right, so pretty easy to open. We're just gonna slide it out of the box. Okay. All right, so right in the box, we start off with a user manual, basically a quick start guide, telling you how to connect this computer to your monitor and how to get started. Comes with the protection foam right here. In addition, this is the computing unit. As you can see, it's wrapped up in a piece of tape. It looks pretty good. It's super small. I'm gonna put it down for now, see what else is in the box. So in the box, there's one other box called the accessories box. And opening it up, let's put this on the side. On this inside here, we have a Visa mounting bracket, which if you want, you can connect it right to the back of your monitor. You have one long HDMI cable, and you have one super short HDMI cable. My guess is that because there's two HDMI outs on this one will be connected to, if you decide to mount it to the back of a monitor, you can connect it directly to that monitor and then daisy it to the second one with the second HDMI output. So that's the reason why there's probably two HDMIs together there. Now it comes with your power bar right here, or your power adapter, and this is some screws to be used with the mounting bracket. All right, so pretty simple in this unboxing. Right now, this adapter is a output of 12 volts and 3000 milliamps. It's 100 to 240 volts. So nothing too special about these kind of power adapters. Okay, so that's really all there is in the box. I'm gonna put that right here. See if I can put this back down. Let's take a look at the device itself. So super small, it's super light. So everything is already in this unit. Your hard drive, your RAM. So I'm just gonna unpeel it here. Slide it out. All right. So as you can see here, it's Beelink, and it's branded at the bottom with Intel. And on the front, you can see a couple of things. So there are two USB 3 ports, and there is a USB-C port, and there's the red power button, as well as an audio jack out. On the side, you have some vents. On the other side, you have vents as well. And on the back, you have the connection ports. So we have two LAN ports. We have another two set of 3.0 USB ports. They may be 3.1, I'm not too sure. You have two HDMI outputs, so you can connect two monitors to this. And then you have your DC plug that goes into the side of the back of the computer. So overall, this is a pretty sleek looking PC. It's super small, has rubber feet on the bottom if you want to just place it onto a table, doesn't slide around. And also, if you want to hook it to the back of a monitor using the VESA mounts, that's a good solution as well. I don't have too much to say more about this as an unboxing. If you want me to do a review or take a look at how fast it is hooked up onto a monitor, I'm happy to do that. Let some comments down below and I'll do that. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. We're gonna show you some videos from different angles of this PC and take a look and decide for yourself if this is a PC unit for you. All right, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. See you later.